SN Networking Training, Routing Lab 1, Part 2. In this episode, we will look at how to set up our Ubuntu machine to access the Cisco router's configuration interface using Minicom application. So, if you are a Windows user, check out our next video on how to do the same setup on Windows operating systems. Okay, now that we have completed the physical connectivity, let us proceed to install Minicom on our Linux Ubuntu box to allow us to access our router to the command prompt using our computer. So here, I'll now have to go and install the Minicom applications on my Ubuntu box. So sudo apt-get install Minicom. So here I'll be requested to put in the sudo's password, and I'll key that in so it will authenticate and proceed on installation. So here you can see Ubuntu is now fetching for the repositories needed to install this Minicom software. So installation is completed. The next thing is I have to verify which port is listening on the serial cable in my computer. So to do that, I need to issue the command sudo dmessage and then grep tty. So here, so again, it's asking for the sudo's password, and now you can see it's telling me at the port that the USB cable, the serial cable is listening to is TTY USB 0. So I have to set that up in the Minicom settings. So to do that, I'll go to sudo minicom -s to launch the Minicom setup options. So here you can see I've been taken through this menu. So I need to now scroll down to the serial port setup and press enter. So here you can see in option A, serial is saying serial device is /dev/tty USB 0, which is exactly matching this port that my computer is listening on for the serial cable. So in case that this thing here, this value here is different from this, then I have to change this one to match whatever that I get from this grep command. So to change that, I will just come here and type A to take me to the options. Now I can delete whatever I want to delete. If something was there, let's say for instance it was USB 1 something, then I will just have to delete this thing and replace it by TTY USB 0, and I press enter. So that will save that new configurations. So the next thing is this E option, that's the bit rate per seconds. So we need to change this to 9600 because Cisco devices listing using this bit rate 9600 on console ports. So other devices will have other options, like for instance if I type E, you see that there are multiple options, like D for 38400, E is 115200, and C is 9600. So here is already on C, otherwise it's already on C, which is 9600. If the value was something different, I could have just changed it. Let's say I want to change it to 115200. For instance, if you have to configure Huawei devices, I'll just type E and press enter. So now the value has now changed from 960 to 115200. But I don't want that. I want 9600. I'll go back to E, and then to select this option, I have to type C again, and you can see it has changed now to 9600. Then press enter. So the value has changed. So also option F, the flow control needs to be on no options. Likewise the G. So to change that, just type press the F key. It changed to yes, but I need to know. So press F, and then for G also, I just press G. It's changed to yes. I need it to be on no. So press G again to be on no and save your configurations. So now all the setup needed for the Minicom is completed. What I need to do is save it. So now I can just save it as default by choosing these options, or if I want to save it to something different, I can say save setup as, and I give it a new name. But I don't want to give it a new name. I want to save it as a default. So I will just select that option and I press enter. So now my Minicom setup is done. I can exit, and now I should be able to access my router on the command prompt. So or on the terminal. So let me switch on my router. Let me switch on my router, and now I will exit Minicom. So now you can see it is, if I press enter again, now I can, Minicom is loading and the device, my router is loading. So now I'm connected to the router on console successfully. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe now, and I will see you in the next one.